Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and clicking the three-dot menu in the top right. Do it now. Once done, choose Settings and immediately scroll to Advanced. This exposes the Languages section. You want to access languages because that controls display order, spell check, and translation prompts. Make sure Chrome is updated so the options match what I describe. If you use a keyboard shortcut, press Alt plus F to open the menu faster. Then proceed to Settings and look for Languages. You now add or reorder languages. Click Languages and choose Add Languages, then type the language name or locale code to find it quickly. After adding, drag a language to the top to make it the primary display language and to influence translation behavior. Once the order is correct, toggle options like Offer to translate pages in this language and enable spell check for that language if you write in it. These steps control both interface text and how Chrome handles foreign pages. To finish, restart Chrome so display changes propagate through menus and prompts. You may see a relaunch button. Click it. If the browser still shows the old language, make sure your operating system language and Chrome profile sync settings aren't overriding Chrome's display language. Also, check extensions. Some can force translations or alter the UI. Disable them briefly. If problems persist, clear cache and relaunch, because stale data can prevent the UI from updating properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.